Hey guys, what's going on? Here to tell you a little bit about my most favorite hairspray. There's a lot of hairsprays that I continuously use because I love them. I'm a total beauty junkie. I'll try any kind of product. I don't care like what the price is or whatever. I'm just always down to try something new. So this I actually first got probably like 10 years back. I was shopping in Victoria's Secret with my cousin, and she had found this, and she's like, oh my god, smell this. It's Victoria's Secret Boost and Hold Hairspray, right? So I'm like, alright, like, they had the tester on the table. I'm like, oh my god, it smells like cotton candy. So it's awesome because it's like a hair perfume and it's also a hairspray, so it's kind of like a 2-in-1. And every time I curl my hair, I use this, and I just love it. I find it a little bit difficult to find, like especially in Victoria's Secret. Like I found this one during their semi-annual sale, which they have. I think they have 2 a year, but I found this during the January sale, like after the holidays, and I fell completely in love with it. And I remember like going back for it to the store and I couldn't find it, and it's a little more difficult to find. So luckily I was able to purchase this online, and I found it, and I was so happy about that. So this is it's a 7 ounce bottle, 200 gram bottle. Great size. I love that I love pink. I'm a total girly girl, so I love that the bottle is like 2 different kinds of pinks, and the fact that it smells like a cotton candy kind of just goes so nicely with the bottle. I like it because I feel like it's kind of like retro looking. It's girly. I love the whole look of the bottle. I like the script with the supermodel approved script at the bottom. I think that's pretty. I think it adds to it. It almost reminds, I don't know if you guys like watch Alice in Wonderland ever, but like I think it just reminds me, something about it reminds me of like that movie. The Boost and Hold Hairspray from tousled, I always screw up that word. From tousled, perfectly imperfect, bedroom hair to a carefully coiffed updo, the key to every supermodel style is our Boost and Hold Hairspray. Brilliant shine, incredible volume, and superior flexible hold. Unique anti-humidity complex and UV protectant helps shield against frizz and sun damage. I have to say this works. I feel like I'm like always in humid weather in New York. It's so hot in the summer, and then even in the winter sometimes when it snows or the rain, like I feel like the weather's so unpredictable, and I feel like you always need to have product in your hair, except maybe in like the fall or like some really cold days you don't have to worry about it. But I feel like I'm constantly having to put product in my hair. I think this is like something that really helps hold style and create just like a really nice look. And I know my husband's always like, oh my god, your hair smells so good when I use this, and he knows what hairspray it is because it smells awesome. It smells like candy. And I love Victoria's Secret products in general. Like I love their makeup, and they have some really great other stuff and perfumes and what else do they have besides clothes and lingerie? Of course, I like their beauty products. I think they're awesome. So I was so happy that this was able to be found. Victoria's Secret Beauty Co. distributed in New York. Ingredients. You can see all the ingredients on the back here. Of course, they have that flammable warnings, flammable like anything else. Very easy to use. I actually really like this top. It's different than like some of the other aerosol spray cans. I just shake it up a little bit, spray it out. It smells wonderful. Yeah, I get to smell the candy scent in my house. It smells delicious. I think it's a fun product. I love how great it smells. Like after a night out, before a night out, I should say, I like to use this. Also, when I'm on vacation, like if I just went in the pool, or like you want those like that beach wave look, it's kind of nice too. You could achieve this that way with this product as well. Like you just kind of air dry your hair and then add a little bit of the spray to it, and I kind of just spray all over. and it just adds shine, volume, beautiful scent. It just doesn't feel sticky or anything either, which is nice. So there you have it. There's Victoria's Secret Boost and Hold Supermodel Approved Hairspray. I hope that you guys love it just as much as I do. And I really, really hope you found this video useful. Go check it out, guys. If you can't find it in store, you could definitely get it online. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great night. Bye.